Are you always forgetting appointments or different special days? Just in general, feel super unorganized and not really knowing what's going to happen next in your super busy life? Well, does the Fly Lady have a solution for you? Today, on day 30 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are going to take our calendars and fill them up. We had worked with our calendars some time ago and filled it up. Now we're going to fill up the next quarter of our calendars. Go ahead and take a 15-minute timer and schedule your December, January, and February. I know we don't have all the details yet for those months, but whatever details you do have, go ahead and fill them in now so you will be ahead of the game. And moving forward, every single Tuesday or whenever you decide for your desk date to be, we're going to sit down with our calendars and planners and plan the following week after that. So we'll always be at least a week ahead. So go ahead and set your next quarter now, whatever you happen to know is coming up. And don't forget to comment down when you're done with today's challenge for your chance to win. And I'll see you Monday for day 31 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.